As we continue our reflection on the history of the Church of God in Abaco, how did they get here?
I hold in my hand the diary of Colin Paget, his entire voyage to Green Turtle and what transpired on his mission to Green Turtle Key. This is the Salem vessel that served this area as the mail boat in 1913 that Carl M. Paget and his wife Eva traveled on along with a friend, Reverend Guthrie, named the Albertine. They arrived on Green Turtle Key on July the 22nd, 1913.
The Albertine Adu was a 60-foot, two-masted schooner and was the last non-motorized mail boat that serviced Abaco. The Priscilla took over the mail service in 1923. In 1913, grape juice was a scarce commodity. When it was time for communion service, what native fruit do you think the Church of God used as a replacement?
On July the 24th, 1913, after setting the church in order, he then served the Holy Sacraments, communion, found out by any grape juice on the island, so he sent his friend, Brother Guthrie, out to the sea grape trees to get some sea grapes. He crushed them, got the juice, and added a little sugar to stretch it, to serve communion to the parishioners before the foot washing service.
Then Bishop Johnny Lowe shows their 96-year-old record book, and to my surprise, he points to a 1932 entry where my father, Lane Curry, as an 8-year-old boy, was paid 1 shilling per month to ring the church bell.
Randy Curry, that is taken this video, his dad served the church as a sexton, ringing the church bell, and was paid 1 shilling for ringing the church bell for 1 month.
In the past 5 days, we have reflected back over 100 years of Church of God history. We have learned about their great leaders, faithful followers, and sacrificial givers. What about us? What will people say about us after we are gone? The Lord Jesus gave his all for us. Have we given our all for him? I hope all of you have enjoyed our look back in time. This is Randy Curry for the Bahamas Christian Network. God bless.